Children,
Can I hold this?
we will do drawings for
No?
Mr.
Oh my.
Potato.
Can I hold my piano? Honey ba?
I'm drawing a carrot.
You to give me kane, and you to give me kane.
A pig.
This is angry ka.
It's a super
It's
potato.
music
Oh, I
time.
see. George has drawn a wonderful tomato. Peppa, what vegetable have you drawn? My daddy watching television. Oh, excellent. Now, we put the drawings in an envelope
So, unlocking antioxidant power, supporting immune balance, and revitalizing detox support, defense against aging, and enhancing skin radiance.
some drawings
So,
for Mr. Potato in
more than 1 month na ako na gumamit nito, pero
Daddy is on
sa skin ko, garam pa rin, brown pa rin. Parang wala akong nakikitang glow.
George's pig.
More than a month na. Pero bumili pa rin ako kasi masarap siya. Masarap talaga siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano lang pa order pa rin ako baka sakaling baka sakaling pumuti. At ito din para sa elasticity ng skin. See? Revitalize skin elasticity, support joint health, promotes bone well-being. Ito, first time ko itong i-try. Ano kayang lasa? Ito, sobrang tamis.
Is it for me?
Parang gummy lang talaga siya. So, let's see. I-try ko siya
Is it a toy?
after, let's see, hanggang 2 months. Kung may effective ba sa akin, kung may effective ba sa skin ko. Brown pa kasi, sobrang brown pa. See?
It's their wedding.
Ang brown pa.
Can me and George
Mommy.
have a present too?
Brown pa.
That's very
Ay,
sweet.
bunya.
Awa da Gia.
Sunny ba?
Lot of money.
Mine is white. Sunny. And
We
together.
will give another review again
I want this one.
after 2 months.
This one and this.